Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adenaila Salsabila, grade 11 TJKTA. I will give you a tutorial on crimping cables. Please prepare the tools to be crimped such as cables, connector, crimping pillars, tester tools. Second, prepare the cable to be crimped on don't forget the crimping pillar. Then measure the cable and cut the cable as needed. 3. Slip the cable skin a little, then short the middle of the cable inner cable and tidy up and cut it evenly. Don't let any of them be long on one side. Install the connector until it fits. 4. Crimping the cable that has been inserted with the connector. Finally, if you have checked the cable that has been crimped using a tester tool and look at the links. If the links are all on, it means the cable crimping has been successful. That's all from the video tutorial on crimping the cable. If there are any wrong words of mental, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.